Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever found yourself frustrated while trying to get your designs to look just right in Canva, shapes refusing to line up, or things looking uneven, today's video is absolutely for you. I'm going to show you how to get perfect alignment and spacing in Canva, step by step, so your creations always look sharp and professional. By the end, you'll be able to align and space any elements easily, even if you're brand new to using Canva. Alright, let's dive in. First things first, open up Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, don't worry, it's simple and you can follow along even if you're on their free plan. Once you're on the home screen, look for the Create a Design button. Go ahead and click that. Now, instead of picking a preset size, we're going to select Custom Size. This is important because starting with a small, even canvas will make alignment easier to see and manage. Enter 100 by 100 pixels. That's a perfectly square, compact workspace, great for practicing alignment without feeling overwhelmed by a vast canvas. Now, with your new 100 by 100 canvas open, we're ready to start adding elements. You can choose any element you like, a shape, icon, or even text. For this demonstration, I'm going to use a simple square shape, but circles or any object work just fine. Find an element, click to add it to your canvas, and you'll see it pop up, probably right in the middle. Next, we need more than one element to actually practice alignment, so let's duplicate the one you just added. Click on it and either use the shortcut, usually Ctrl-D or CMD+D, or look for the duplicate button up in the top right toolbar. You should now see two identical shapes on your canvas. Here comes the key part, aligning them. Select both shapes by holding down Shift and clicking each one, or by dragging your cursor to select them together. Canva makes alignment super easy with built-in snapping and guidelines. Watch as you move the shapes, pink lines will appear, showing you perfect centers or even spacing between items. Take your time here, nudging each shape until they snap into place relative to each other. Don't worry if it takes a few tries, you'll get a feel for how the guides work. Think of it like organizing books on a shelf. You want everything tidy and evenly spaced, not slumped to one side. Once you're happy with the alignment, maybe they're side by side, evenly spread or centered, take a moment to zoom out or preview your work. Good alignment isn't just about technical perfection, it really makes your design feel polished and intentional. Now that the hard work's done, it's time to save your masterpiece. Click on the Share button at the top right of your screen. This brings up the download options. For most uses, downloading as a PNG gives you crisp, clear quality. JPG is a bit smaller in file size if that's what you need. Choose your preferred format, hit download, and your perfectly aligned design is ready to use. And that's all there is to it. Getting elements lined up in Canva is quick and easy once you know the tricks. If this helped you, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want more Canva tips. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. There's a lot more to learn. Thanks for watching and happy designing.